Good day. Our topic for today is how to add two integers basic. So, ang atong button is mag-create of empty file. Then, we name this to addition.cpp. Save. Addition.cpp. Let's start coding. So, short include stdio.h. Then we take name. For to be specific, we have to create void name. Open and close curly brace. Then we indent. So this is the body of our program. So first, we create a variable. So two integers and the sum. So we declare it int fnum snum for second number and the sum. Okay. Then printf. So dirito ka itong mga taog user input. So the program will prompt for user input. So enter first number, printf. Then we scan f. Percent seconds scan f. Percent diff and f9 ampersand. So this is the syntax, ampersand f9 then semicolon. Okay, let's try to run the program. Build run error. So sa 3 daw. Sudah na namin. Okay. Automatic na dito. If ever you will not declare it as main, it is considered as void. So there will be no returning value of your program. So that's why I use main instead of int main. So if main, you have no return value. So enter number straight. Okay. Then print f. Enter second number, scan f. percent d tungod it is because we use int data type. and SNum for the second number. Okay, then after we get the user input, the first number and the second number, the program must calculate. So how do the program calculate? So simple, just to put the formula num sum is equals to fnum plus snum. So in algebra or in mathematical expression, we compute the sum by a sum is equals to a plus b. So where your a plus b is your variable, or the three sum a and b is the variable. So in this program, we declare the snum, fnum, and sum. Okay. So after the program calculates, read the input, then the program will output the result of the calculation. Print f the sum of two numbers is %d, then sum. So take note, if you want to print %d, then the variable without the ampersand compared to the scanf. Okay, let's try to build. Run. Okay. Four, 5. Okay, the answer is 9. Then let's again. Okay, 10, enter, then 51. So the answer is 61. So that's how you program or code the addition of two numbers in C programming. That's all for today, so thank you. So if you want to more videos, please click like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.